This Hyperledger logo depicts the goals of the Hyperledger project. These include common functional modules and defined interfaces, reuse of common building blocks, diverse developer community, rapid experimentation, extensible code bases, and flexible modification of any component. It is 2 years since Hyperledger launched, and at the time of this recording, there are more than 191 members, 4 tools, 5 frameworks, and contribution to the code base from all over the world. The 5 frameworks are Fabric, Sawtooth, Indy, Iroha, and Burrows, all incubated by the Hyperledger framework. Of the 5 frameworks, 1 has been out of incubation and into production. It is that of Hyperledger Fabric 1.0 from IBM. Tools are essential for rapid prototyping and testing, and 4 tools are in incubation: Cello, Quilt, Composer, and Explorer. Later on, we'll demo the use of Hyperledger Composer that provides a convenient development environment to assemble blockchain applications. Recall that Bitcoin protocol defined the transactions of a blockchain in terms of UTXOs, unspent transaction outputs, and Ethereum protocol introduced the smart contract and the concept of an account. The Hyperledger Fabric goes further than this in defining a whole business network with roles and assets and aligning the protocol closer to real-world application. Note that Hyperledger Fabric 1.0 is the only production framework out of the Linux Foundation at this time. Let's explore significant differences between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Hyperledger. In Hyperledger protocol, there is no cryptocurrency. Hyperledger is designed for handling only business logic, such as the smart contract functionality. The smart contract code is called chain code in Hyperledger. An even more significant difference between Bitcoin and Hyperledger is that Fabric is a permission blockchain and unknown peers cannot join and leave the network as they wish. Hyperledger aims to architect solutions for business to business, business to customer, rather than any unknown, trustless, decentralized peers. Mining of the blocks is also significantly different since only designated validating peers will undertake this operation in Hyperledger. This feature helps in the implementation of the consensus algorithm, PBFT, practical Byzantine fault tolerance, versus proof of work of Bitcoin blockchain. Summarizing, we learned the goals of Linux Foundation Hyperledger project and the need for permissioned blockchain. In the next 3 lessons, we'll explore the Hyperledger Fabric that is the first to mature from incubation to production version in Fabric 1.x.